Okay guys, now we start questions 37 to 40. Good. Who's this? Alright. Questions 37 to 40. Complete the summary below. Choose one word only. Now, summary completion, it is type A. Questions and answers are in order. When you see one summary, all the questions and answers will come in a sequence. But if there are two summaries, you need to look for two locations in the passage and you will find the answers. Now, what is the summary about? The Manta ray. So the summary is about Manta ray. Okay, about this. Now, let's read the question. During certain times of year, depending on the weather conditions and the tides, manta rays collect to look for dash to feed on. Manta rays collect. Collect means they gather. To look for means search. Dash to feed on means what do they eat. For example, look for chicken sandwich to feed on. Look for mutton karai to feed on or anything like that. So whatever they eat. Now go back to the passage. It's paragraph D for doctor, where they talk about their gathering and they gather and all that. Okay, feeding. Okay, you already read about it, about their feeding and all that. Now please come to third last line. Paragraph D for doctor, third last line. They seem not to mind the human competition in this quiet small space, and indeed they are often joined by other rays. Other rays means other manta rays, other fish, and even giant whale sharks which feed on the same plankton. So feed on plankton means they eat plankton. Now what's the meaning of plankton? Forget about it. Just write down plankton as an answer. Okay, there is the same mention in paragraph C. Let's go back. Okay. Alright, C. Where is it? On certain days? Huh?
If the tides and winds are right, enter a shallow.
Third line में right.
Okay, third line. Paragraph C for cat. Okay, I got it. Fourth line. Okay. If the tides and winds are right, enter a shallow cul-de-sac in the reef to hunt for plankton, their main source of nutrition. That's right. But when they talked about gather, to gather and eat, so they talked about that. So there is another reference, yeah. But actually it's there, right? Yeah. Joined by other rays, that is mentioned there only. Okay, so correct answer is plankton. Yeah? Just a minute, I'll clear you. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, I'll clear you. Let's go on. Question number 38. They eat the same food as other species. They talked about whale or what? Yeah, giant whale sharks and all that. So other species such as giant whale sharks. See that now? Hello? You. Answer is here, okay? Now, as for keeping clean, they are kept free from dash. Kept free from dash. Yeah, now let's go on. Paragraph G for God. Well done. Everyone please jump to paragraph G. Yes, well done. So on several dives, I'm reading it from there. I think we need to go to, yeah, it's here. On several dives, I'm lucky enough to get close to the mantas, sometimes at underwater cleaning stations. Now let's read on, because they talked about cleaning. Cleaning was our clue word. Here, the mantas come in small numbers or individually to pause above a coral outcrop and wait while small fish pick at their skin, removing parasites. So small fish pick at their skin, and these small fish, if you remember, we have fish pedicure as well. Have you seen fish pedicure? There is a ball full of fish and you put your feet and they come and eat your dead skin. So they are talking about that and removing parasites. Now why parasites is the right answer? For removing, what is the word? Kept free. Keep free and remove That is the same word. So the answer is parasite. Question number 39, please. Manta rays have certain characteristics. Question number 39. Manta rays have certain characteristics which make them good swimmers. They use their dash. Now they means fish uses a part of body. They use their dash to get up speed. So what is it that they use to get up speed? Wings. Where is it? Paragraph G for God. Exactly. Everyone, paragraph G please. Good. Good. Paragraph G, which line? Okay, 1, 2, 3, fourth line. Adapted for fast swimmers with their flattened bodies, they can accelerate rapidly. With their flattened bodies, they can accelerate rapidly with a twitch of their wings. Twitch of their wings, flattened body, and they can accelerate rapidly. Means they can increase their speed with a twitch of their wings. So the correct answer is wings. Well done. Question number 40. The nature of manta's dash is of particular interest to scientists. Nature of manta's something is particular interest to scientists. Where is it? Okay, last line of paragraph. Second last paragraph. Well done. Okay. Guy explains before that the manta rays. The manta rays have the biggest brain of any fish. Guy explains. And some manta researchers are convinced that mantas can recognize individual people underwater. So, where do they talk about? The nature of manta's brain is of particular interest to scientists. Okay. Alright. Yes, it's the same. The manta rays, please read again. The manta rays have the biggest brain of any fish, Guy explains. And some manta researchers are convinced that mantas can recognize individual people underwater. So how do they recognize individual people? Because of their brain, and researchers are interested in that. So what will be the answer? Good. The question goes like, okay, the nature of manta's brain, is of particular interest to scientists. For scientists, they use the word researchers.